Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve question number 21 to 25, costing part. So let's start. Question number 21. 8 employees work in a team. Each employee is paid $16 an hour, and the team share a group bonus between them, which is based on their output of product. For any production in excess of 18,000, any production in excess 500 units, the team as a group is paid a bonus 8 per unit. 8 per unit of exceeded unit than 500. The bonus is shared equally between the members and paid on a weekly basis. So last week, each member of the team worked 40 hours and the team as a whole produced 560 unit. So here this exceeded 60 unit, right? So what is the pay of each member of the team? So our question is to calculate the payment of each member of the team. So here each member worked 40 hours. So each member 40 hours they worked. How many members are there? There are 8 members are there. 40 hours, 8 members worked. What is there per hour payment? Per hour payment is 60. So the total is 5,120. Then this is they will get for their 16 per hour. How many hours they worked? 40 hours they worked. But they are offering one more thing, 8 per unit extra bonus on exceeded unit. What is the exceeded unit here? Exceeded unit is 60. So 60 into 8. 8 is the bonus. It will come 480. So the total payment to the team is equal to 5,600 to the team. How many members are there? There are 8 members. So 5,600 divided by 8, 700. So what is our correct answer is answer A, 700. Next question. 22. A company uses weighted average cost or AVCO. AVCO means perpetual valuation of inventory. The following information available: balance, purchased. So we have to find the price of the product. So the first one, 20 multiply 4 is equal to 80. They purchase the first one. Second one, 40 multiply 5, 200. And again 40 into 8 each. So 40 multiply 8, 320. So the total value is how much? It is coming 600. The total unit is 100. How to find the price? Value divided by unit. It will come 600 divided by 100 is equal to 6 is the price. So here they are issuing unit is 600 divided by 100 is 6. So the issued unit is how much unit? 55 units. Price is 6. So 55 multiply 6 is equal to 330. So the unit cost issued is answer is C, 330. Next question. A factory employs large number of staff, more laborers are there, who pack different products for different customers. What would be the most suitable basis to absorb the packing department overhead? Overhead will be absorbed machine hours or labor hours. Here, the factory used more labor hours than machinery. So, here the correct answer is B, labor hours. Question number 24. The following information is available. Overhead cost and direct labor. They are given budget and actual. Overhead are absorbed on the basis of direct labor hours. What was the amount of over absorption or over or under absorption overhead? So how to find the over or under absorption? First we have to find the per unit cost of budgeted overhead. Budgeted overhead per unit cost is 60,000 divided by 30,000 is equal to 2. So our recovery cost 2 into actual labor hours 35,000 is equal to 70,000. But our actual overhead cost is 66,000. So our budgeted was over. What is the difference? That is 400 is the difference. That is the over absorption. So what is our correct answer? $4,000 over absorption. So let's move to the next question. Question number 25. A business employs machinist to make single product. So machinist is the variable cost. Each product they want the machinist. As demand increases, more machinists are employed. Demand increase means production also will increase. Number of units should increase. So they need more machinists. So machinists are variable cost here. Every time 8 extra machinists are employed, 1 extra supervisor is required. So whenever they hiring extra 8 machinists, then 1 supervisor required, 1 level again. Actually supervisor is the fixed cost, but whenever they are changing 1 level above, it is called stepped cost. So supervisor is here the from fixed to it become the stepped cost. Each 8 extra machinist supervisor number will exceed, that will increase. So the question, how total labor is cost best described? Machinist we know that is the variable. So here they put C and D is the variable. Supervisor is not fixed, we said stepped. So it is given in the D, stepped. So the correct answer is machinist is variable, supervisor is stepped. Hope you all understood today's class. Please subscribe my channel and like and support. Thank you.